What's cracking, everybody? Been working on the OBS studio. I've got it all set up. Audio is working pretty good, I think, for now. Got the capture card in the streaming PC. I've got the gaming PC all set up, built. I want to do the live fire up. Got a USB stick, throw a new BIOS on it when it does fire up. Throw Windows on it, throw some games on it, hang out, play some video games, chat. Thank you very much to all my subscribers. I appreciate it very much. So we're all set. I am going to hopefully be doing the live fire up very soon. Just a little update. All right. See everyone soon. Later.